This Type 3 wildland and two more just like it will be wearing the badge of the Nevada Division of Forestry. HME Ahrens-Fox has a proven history of producing Type 3 Model 34 wildlands for service with state and forestry services across the country. From its rugged commercial 4x4 high-clearance chassis to the durable stainless steel body and storage solutions for tools and gear, this Type 3 was born and bred to tackle the rigors and demands of wildland operations. With a 500 gallon per minute PTO Type 3 pump, booster reel, a Class A foam system, and a 500 gallon water tank, these wildland trucks are ready to offer pump and roll and full fire suppression support. Let's take a look at some of the HME wildlands on the move. Congratulations on the Nevada Division of Forestry. For more information, visit firetrucks.com. I'm Rich Fleeman.